Alright, another day. I'm just about to pick up my friend for plane spotting. He should be around this corner. Oh, there he is. Hello.
Hello.
We're supposed to, bro, we gotta go plane spotting. You ready?
Yes, sir. Let me get in.
Alright, let me unlock the door. Alright. Look, we already got a Beluga Airbus parked on top of a building.
How amazing. Oh, voice crack moment. Ah,
I forgot how to drive. Alright. This was the airport, right? So we're going
the
to
airport.
Tokyo International Airport. I can hear the planes. Let's just go up here. I think this is fine. This is fine.
Your attention, please. Please do not
This
smoke
is
in the
actually
terminal
not
building.
fine.
Smoking
We're
is
going back
only
down.
permitted in the specified smoking areas. Thank you.
Alright, let's just enter.
Well, as you can see, it may looks like the Beluga Airbus has gone missing out of nowhere.
Oh, we got Concords. We got Concords.
Yo, yo, yo.
I thought they
A,
were
co-
dead.
a
Alright, we got
Concorde that
one.
isn't being used.
Is there any more planes? Alright, we're just gonna go drive around the airport and try to find some planes. I heard it's big. Tokyo International is busy. Oh, I can hear it. Oh, they're pushing back. Let's go check it out.
Yo.
Anybody owning the aircraft? Are the engines on? I mean, those engines are on.
Yo, what, bro, Spirit, and what the heck is Hardjet doing there?
Everything, this is Spirit, this is Ryanair. What? Alright, we're just gonna go watch what they're gonna do.
Yo, bro, what's that bumpy thing?
I don't know, to be honest.
If we zoom out, I think you can see that we might have a little problem with our tire.
Oh, we got a flat tire real quick. We gotta get out of the airport or, oh wait, I have a way. I know how to get this tire fixed. I know a place. This way. This way seems good. We're gonna turn out. We're gonna go take the right train. I think we're going a bit bumpy. Yeah, that aircraft is. Let's just. You wanna? It's alright. We're just gonna go without a flight. It's only gonna be a few seconds. It's fine. Alright. Alright, that's all. Let's just go. We gotta go fast before taking off. Let's park. Where should we park?
Somewhere where we don't get completely destroyed by the planes?
I think we should park here.
Yeah, sure, that works.
I'm gonna go try to flight. Yeah, that plane is definitely going to be on it. Yep, get back in. Get back in, we're gonna go chase it. Let's take some nice pictures. Right, so they're taking off this way. So we're gonna just stay here.
Lord.
Alright, we're parking the car right here.
Okay.
Alright, let's watch it.
Let me get my binoculars out.
My binoculars are in the trunk. Alright. Check them out.
Hey, you.
That's Aer Lingus. Lingus. Alright, they're about to take off runway. I forgot what runway is that, but I think it's
Fondale Dingle here.
They're taxiing. I think we should move forward a bit. We might get killed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me move forward. Let me move forward.
I'm gonna get the car forward. Alright, this is
I
perfect.
think I
This
got
is
the
a perfect
perfect
spot.
view.
Yo, get off the runway. Yo, get off the runway.
It's
Get off the runway.
perfect. Sorry.
Alright. Let's check them out.
Let's check them out.
Alright, they're full throttle. We should sometimes catch on a flight and go plane spotting from other airports.
Yeah.
Oh, that was perfect.
Dang.
Let's hop back in. I think we should catch on a flight to go to America.
Why the heck is there a B2 Spirit?
Let's just not talk about that. Did you get your flying license yet?
Oh, bro?
Did
What,
you get
bro?
your pilot license?
My what?
Did you get your pilot license?
Yeah.
Alright, then we can just go fly there. Let's just park it there.
Do you have a pilot license?
Of course. I used to work in the military. Do you have a plane that uses a jet engine?
It's only like, here, let me find the, here, this is the one that I can use. This is the one that I can use that I bought.
A private jet?
Yeah. So when I got my license, I just got this.
Alright, let's go then.
Yoo-hoo!
Can I have remote control?
Yeah. We need to ask, should we ask for pushback because it seems like there's no ATC online.
It's no ATC online, but it's alright.
We're still going back. Who the heck is that?
I need to do pushback. Or are you doing it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You do it.
Quick, there's a 767 in front of us. He's doing the taxi. He's doing the taxi.
You.
Okay. He's doing the takeoff.
takeoff.
What?
You gonna do takeoff?
I think. Are we clear for takeoff?
Yes, sir.
Gear up.
You gonna contract up? On red.
Good. Lower down to 26%. Maintain descent. You are perfect. Happy after perfect.
We got some crosswind here.
Really? Don't pull up too hard. We're gonna do a hard landing. Too high, too high. Ten. 5. Retard. What airport is populated the most right now?
Probably this.
We only spotted. Oh, Thomas is landing. Oh, that's crazy.
What the hell is this?
Ooh. They're turning. Quick! Oh, quick! They're crashing into me!
Oh no!
We need more players.
Yeah, but there's quite. There's somebody's.
I'm just gonna go turn here.
Yo, this turkey guy might take off, bro.
Yeah, that's why I'm already at the runway. No, 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 my car. Okay.
Yo, I got my binoculars. Trying to check this out.
He's lining up. Yes, he's full throttle. He's rolling it up. Wait, what's gonna happen? Oh, overrun! He overrun the runway. That was an awful takeoff. Do you think that's enough plane spotting for the day?
Sir,
Alright, let's go back home.
let's head out.
We don't need to fly anymore. We already live here. Let me try to find the gates. Right. There's no exit. Wait. Do you know how to exit this airport? I don't.
Yeah, bro, can I drive?
I don't recognize this airport.
I think I know, bro. Can I drive?
Wait. So if you go right there. Oh, alright. Alright, we're out of the airport. We're in terminal 1 now. You wanna go to a hotel? I don't have a house. Let's just go to the
Oh,
hotel.
do you turkey on top of us?
What?
Yo, bro, there's a turkey. I think there's a turkey plane behind us.
Let's check it out.
Yo!
They're doing building though.
They do? Nah, they did. Man, I'm gonna retrieve the car.
They jump again. What are you doing to the car? Oh wait, bro, is that a Concorde taking off? Wait, we gotta go back in the airport. Boy. No, I'm just gonna go steal this F-22 Raptor.
Whoa!
I'm gonna see that.
Concord.
Oh, it's let me see. It's 1820.
Who's faster? Holding for a.
Why is
Alright,
it
well,
what is it doing? It's doing wee. Alright, pretty nice. Alright, let's just go home now. Let's go
alright,
for the
hop
last
on.
bit of plane spotting. Where did the car go? Let me drive. I know a hotel.
I know a hotel too.
It's called Hiroshima Hotel.
Well, what about what happened to a couple during the World War?
And it's just called the hotel is called that.
I well, I think you just went missing.
I'm gonna get my own Lamborghini.
Okay. I'm gonna I'm just gonna follow you. All right.
I got a Lamborghini. Okay, let's go.
Boo. Skirt. Amazing. Bro, I have better driving skills.
Yeah, I know I have better driving. Is that thing taking off? It's serious. Every time if there's an aircraft taking off, we always gotta pop up and check it out. That's an 1820 right there.
Nah, the way how they just casually
Yo,
put
go
straight on the.
full power, bro. 60% is full. Alright, that is being full power. It's shaking. We're watching an 1820 take off while there's an SU-47 just landing. It took off. Alright, now we're finally gonna go back home. Frick, what did you do
Yo.
with the Alright.
Yo, bro, I just stole a fire and rescue truck.
Alright, that shit. Let's just go back in the hotel. Alright. That's the end of the day. Goodbye,
Yeah.
y'all.
Whoa. Whoa.
Alright, well, I'll just leave. I'll just go in the hotel.